Once again, sabi nga, one voice in the Philippines, Totoy Balat, ng lalawigan ng Pampanga, at ang bayan ko ay Apalit, Pampanga. Sa ating mga kabalan dyan, shoutout, mega shoutout, sa ating mga kaluguran, kapatid, pamilya, kabarangay, kadiretang ka na kung pipagkantan ken, karin pong Tagalubao, Bora, Florida Blanca, Guagua, San Fernando, Santa Ana, Arayat, Magalang, Mapalakad, San Fernando. Yan, San Fernando po, mega shoutout. And then mega shoutout mo rin po karin pong taga San Vicente, Santo Tomas, karin pa rin Benko, Roland, pamilya Benko, karin taga Guagua, karin JLSS Construction Supply, Jose Larry, and San Simon, kang Kagawan, Willie Dantes. Yan, shoutout mega kay San Simon. Ayan, mag-mega shoutout pa. Alright, yan. Okay. Siyempre, kaya taga Apalit, Pampanga, shoutout kay Dosing Barrio. Ayan, at kay Makabebe, Pampanga, and Masantol. Sa lahat po ng taga Masantol yan. And also sa mga taga Sasmuan, Andaba, and sa Luis. At kareta pong Pagawan Jingle Song, alalan. Anina. Alright, once again yan, Totoy Balat po ng Pampanga. Yan, kareng pong Idol Victor Wood. Right? Yung kakawang laring aso, harapin ne. Wawaw nung wawaw ne. Ay, may inino. Kuling alinis.
I love it! You guys are so great!
I love it. Oh, yan, no? Kalapit ko pala, ne? Yan, katatalapurik ang Victor Wood. At Cheerful. Yan, karena pong kaluguran tamo ke. Yan, yan pong kaurasan na ini. Wow. Kanda tayong Cheerful. Yan, mega shoutout karingan pong kabalay Kapampangan. Mag Victor Word Tapanin. Yan, happy birthday sa lahat po ng birthday ng February. Cheerful, when I saw you in the arms of someone new. Cheerful, when you left me all alone and feeling blue. Cheerful, when you told me that your love was not for me. And I did miss in the teardrop, but I miss you constantly. A fool am I, a fool am I in love. The teardrops that you step on as you dance across the floor. You know the first time my poet was when you walk out on the door. A teardrop when you told me that the place in your heart died. Darling, have I lost you like a teardrop from my eyes? A fool am I, a fool am I in love. Mga luha atapanahon eh. Cheerful, when you told me that the place in your heart died. Darling, have I lost you like the teardrop from my eyes? A fool am I, a fool am I in love.
Yan sa ating mga paborit po ni Victor Wood. Yan sa ating sa mga may The Voice of Love dyan. Sabi nga, mga The Voice of Love. The voice of love will call to you. The voice of love will call to you. You can be sure that she's sincere if you hear the voice of love. When someone look at you and vow that you will be true. If you are certain, take him in your arms and listen for the voice of love. The voice of love will call to you. The voice of love will call to you. You can be sure that she's sincere if you hear the voice of love. Sweet as a tender sign burning light of pine. To see me thrill you, don't give up your heart until you hear the voice of love. The voice of love will call to you. The voice of love will call to you. You can be sure that she's sincere if you hear the voice of love. Yan sa ating mga kababayan dyan, sa ating mga kababayan, nasa ka man ngayon. Good day po sa ating mga kababayan natin dyan, saan ka man. Sabi nga. Pagkatapos po niyan, waitin po natin. Yung wala wala bang nagpapa-mega shoutout sa inyo? O mga request kayo, mga old song. Yan, katapos po nito, The Wonder of You by Victor Wood again. Yan, may patrastas po tayo sa ating mga kababayan dyan. Saan ka mga ngayon dako? Sa ating mga kababayan, Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao, mega shoutout po sa inyo lahat. Yan. From original, composed by Victor Wood. Kaawit din po ni Totoy Balat, Kapampangan singer. Yan. Well, no one else can understand me when everything I do is wrong. You give me loving consolation. You give me hope to carry on. And you try to show your love for me. In everything I do, that the wonder of you. And when you smile, the world is brighter. You touch my hand, and I'm a key. You kiss from me, it's for a fortune. Your love for me is everything, and you always there. You let that the wonder of you. Yan, shout out po sa mga taga Pampanga and Tarlac and Metro Manila, Nueva Ecija, Pangasinan, Olongapo. I guess I never know the reason why you love me as you do. That the wonder of you. Ayan, mega shoutout. Ayan, meron tayong mega shoutout kang Maring Trixie. Yan, Maring Trixie, kamusta? Yung malaguming prinsesa ng amateur. Evangeline Trixie, Mangalso, Clinton. Yan, shoutout pare. Ayan, kare na pong Victor Wood again.
Brown, saktong timpla, sarap ang paap. Try this!
Victor Wood tamo yan. Victor Wood. Ayan, sa mga I'm sorry, my love. Hello to everyone. I'm sorry, my love, if I've broken your heart last night. Oh, won't you please to forgive me? There is one I'm sorry. I promise, my love, I won't make mistake again. Oh, won't you please just forgive me and be my love again. I was a fool to treat you many cruel. I did not know at all. Now I realize, so I apologize. I'll never hurt you again. I'm sorry, my love, if I've broken your heart last night. Oh, won't you please to forgive me and be my love again. I'm sorry, my love, if I've broken your heart last night. Oh, won't you please forgive me and be my love again. I'm sorry, love.
Hi guys, I'm here sketching right
Sa ating mga kapatid dyan, tuloy po tayo, Victor Wood muna tayo, Victor Wood, sa ating oldies. And then, sikat noon at sumisikat ngayon. Victor Wood. Kung nakatali ang iyong iniibig, hintayan mong makawala. Iniibig ko'y nakatali na, sabi nga ni Victor Wood. Yan. Sa isang halik mo lang, lamang ko'y gumalaw. Pinawi mo ang lumbay. Sa isang halik mo lang, dagdig ko'y nabuhay. Mundo man magunaw, sana'y malaman mo. Taging ikaw lamang. Dalangin ko sa may kapal, ikaw sana'y malaya na. Oh, sayang ngayon lang tayo nagsama. Kasalanan ba ang magmahal sa isang tulad mo? Oh, batid ng Diyos, mahal kita, magpakailan pa man. Kay sakit ng sinapit ko, inibig ko'y umapit sa iba. Bakit ganyan ang pag-ibig? Kung alin ang bawal, ang siyang nananahim. Pag makatali, makasogay, panenaya namin matin. Panalangin min, mapulos yun. Talagang kaluguran na kaniya. Puntala na ka at makikita mo. Sa isang halik mo lang, lamang ko'y gumalaw. Pinawi mo ang lumbay. Sa isang halik mo lang, dagdig ko'y nabuhay. Mundo man magunaw, sana'y malaman mo. Taging ikaw lamang. Dalangin ko sa may kapal, ikaw sana'y malaya na. Oh, sayang ngayon lang tayo nagsama. Kasalanan ba ang magmahal sa isang tulad mo? Oh, batid ng Diyos, mahal kita, magpakailan pa man. Kay sakit ng sinapit ko, inibig ko'y may asawa na. Bakit ba ganyan ang pag-ibig? Kung alin ang bawal ang siyang nananaig, ay sakit ng sinapit ko. Inibig ko'y nakatali na. Ayan, sa ating mga kabalan dyan, mega shoutout sa lahat po, mga Paluson, Visayas, and Mindanao, and the other country. Ayan, sa ating mga overseas foreign workers. Shoutout to all, lalo na po sa mga kabalan Kapampangan. Kamusta ko, Ken? Yan, dara-diretso tayo po kang Victor Wood. Ayan, kang Victor Wood, tamo magkain ni paninam. Victor Wood, hanapin.
Ang paggamit ng trusted antibacterial.
Alright, yan, tulkit-tulkit mo, kay na bintana ng puso ko, hanapin. Yan, possible pala yung puso. Anong Victor Wood? Buksan mo ang bintana ng mundo, pawiin mo ang lumbay ng puso ko, o kay sarang mabuhay sa piling mo, magkayakap, magkasiping hanggang matapos ang awit ko. Nahanap init ng iyong yakap, naghihintay uhaw na damdamin. Halika rito, iyakapin mo ako at buksan mo ang bintana ng puso ko. Hinahanap init ng iyong yakap, at buksan mo ang bintana ng puso ko. Naghihintay, uhaw na damdamin. Halika rito, yakapin mo ako. Hinahanap init ng iyong yakap, naghihintay uhaw na damdamin. Halika rito, yakapin mo ako, at buksan mo ang bintana ng puso ko. Hinahanap init ng iyong yakap, at buksan mo ang bintana ng puso ko. Naghihintay, uhaw na damdamin. Halika rito, yakapin mo ako. Hinahanap init ng iyong yakap, at buksan mo ang bintana ng puso ko. Victor Wood pa rin, no? Walang kamatayan na mga buhay na alaala ng ating sikat na singer. Ay, sikat na singer at ngayon yumawa na ang ating Victor Wood na bigla nawala yung ano ko. Awit ko. Napindot na lang. Ang bungulit na naman ito, mamamatda na naman. po tayo sa kay Victor Wood before the next teardrop fall. It brings you happiness, then I wish you all the best. It's your happiness that matters most of all. Arnold, uy! But it's never break your heart in the teardrops, all the stars. I'll be there before the next teardrop falls. Idol, itang My Way. Paborito na ni My Way ngayon. Shoutout, Apong Oka. Uy, vulcanizing siya, kapalit. But it's never break your heart if the deep drops ever stop. I'll be there before the next teardrop falls. Mega shoutout, Randy Pamintuan Benko. Anytime you need me by your side, drive away every teardrop that you cry. And if you ever leaves you blue, just remember I love you. I'll be there before the next teardrop falls. I'll be there before the next teardrop falls. Alright, mega shoutout kay pamilya Benko ning sa Tomas.
Sa amin,
Pampanga, yan.
Rice
Meron
is
pong,
life.
Kaya rice at
Aray,
San Marino
kalaburan tamo,
Fortuna
Ken,
ang
shout out.
perfect for us. Look,
Shoutout mo rin ka rin pamilya. Uy! Uy! Nukar niya, uy! Uy, nukar ka, uy! Ayan, ka rin ang pamilya. Uy, yan, shoutout kaya kayo. At ka rin pamilya Fabian and Garcia, shoutout. Ayan, sa ating mga gusto magtapat dyan, magtapat na. Sabi nga ng mga nakalumang kanta ni Victor Wood. Kaso yung iba, baka ano naman tayo. Sa lahat na merong crying time. Yan, sa ating mga crying time. Huwag tayong magyay My Way. Right, yan. Kareng kalaguran tamo. Oh, it's crying time again. You're gonna leave me. I can see the faraway look in your eyes. I can tell by the way you hold me, darling, that it won't be long before it's crying time. Now they say that absence make the heart grow fonder, and the tears the only rain to make love grow. Well, my love for you could never grow any stronger if I live 100 years old. Now you say that you found someone a lot better. That's the way it's happened every time before. And it's you at the sunshine of tomorrow. can see the faraway look in your eyes. I can tell by the way you hold me, darling, that it won't be long before it's crying time. Oh, it's crying time again. You gotta leave me. I can see the faraway look in your eyes. I can tell by the way you hold me, darling, that it won't be long before it's crying time. Ayan, may request po tayo na My Way mula po kay Arnold. Uy, My Way. Ayun, uy. Uy, My Way, uy, mapla yung My Way, uy. Yan, kang Arnold, uy, na pamilya, uy. Request nila. And now the end is near, and so I face the final curtain. My friend, I make it clear, I state my case, of which I'm certain. I live a life that's full, I travel it, and every highway, and more, much more than this, I did it my way. Regrets, I had a few, but then again, too few to mention. I did what I had to do, and saw it through without exemption. I planned each charted course, each careful step along the byway, and more, much more than this, I did it my way. Yes, there were times, I'm sure you knew, when I bit off more than I could chew. But through it all, when there was love, I have it up and spit it out. I faced it on, and I stood tall, and did it my way. I loved and cried, I had my fill, my share of losing, and now I still subside. I find it all so amusing to see all in all that, and when I say not in the shy way, oh no, not me, I did it my way. Oh, what is a man? What has he got? If not himself, then he has not to say the thing it truly feels, and not the words of one who lives the records bisikleta, nagsasakyan, nag-jeep, tricycle, at naglakad na lang. Doon kayo sa kanyang lalakaran. Yes, it was my way. Yan, sa ating mga kabayan, mega shoutout sa lahat na mayroong request pa dyan. Yan. Eto, tuloy-tuloy po tayo kay Frank Sinatra naman tayo. Let me try again. Sa lahat na mayroong let me try again dyan. Try lang tayo, no? Try mo lang. Hey, hey, sabi nga. Yun ang magandang buhay. I know I said that I was sleepy, but I just could not say goodbye. It was only so deceiving to walk away from someone who means everything in life to you. You learn from every lonely day. I've learned I come back to stay. Let me try again. Let me try again. Things are more we had before. Let me try once more. We can have it all. You and I again. Just forgive me all I done. Please let me try again. I was such a fool to doubt you, to try to go it all alone. There's no sense to life without you. Now all I do is just exist and think about the chance I miss. To beg is not a easy task. A pride, it's such a foolish mask. Let me try again. Let me try again. Things are more we had before. Let me try once more. We can have it all. You and I again. Just forgive me all I done. Please let me try again. Salamat pa mga parating ng panood. Shoutout, mega shoutout sa inyo lahat.
Tanda na, gusto kong sulitin ang panahon.
Yan, sulitin natin ang panahon habang nabubuhay. Sulitin mo, wag yung may sakit ka na, doon ka magsusulit. Yan. Yan sa ating mga kababayan dyan, shoutout sa ating mga kababayan na sa ibang dako, sa ibang bansa. Yan, shoutout sa inyo lahat ng nasa abroad. Portraits of My Love by Matt Moreau. there could never be a portrait of my love or nobody may dream. You will never see a portrait of my love or miracle I'll never see. Anyone who see her soon forget the Mona Lisa. It would take, I know, a Michelangelo, and he will need the glows and love, the big skies above, to try and paint a portrait of my love. It would say, I know, I'm Michelangelo, and he will need the gloves and down, the painted skies above, to try and paint a portrait of my love. My love. Isabit siya po. Isabit siya po italalam. O yan, shoutout po. Next, moro pa rin tayo. All of sudden. Yan. Naibago ako ngayon sa mga old song. We will pull you and I, now we'll know it was still us today. Move along, love was our paradise, did not show it. Suddenly we can see we were wrong. All of a sudden, this world yours and mine. All of a sudden, water tastes like wine. Now every moment there are songs to sing. All of a sudden, everything. Let not talk of the time we feel lonely, but let us think of the time we will know. From today I will live for you only. We I said on this day long ago. All of a sudden, this was yours and mine. All of a sudden, water tastes like wine. Now every moment there are songs to sing. All of a sudden, everything. La 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 la, la 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 la, la la. La 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 la, la la la, la la. La 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 la, la la la, la la. La 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 la, la la la. La 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 la, la 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 la, la la. La 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 la, la la la, la la. La 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 la, la la la, la la. Ayan. Alright, yan. Dito po tayong kata sa awitin. Ang kata-kata ni. Kata-kata ni. Yan. If I never sing another song by Matt Moreau. In my heyday, younger wrote to me. Everybody seemed to have time to devote to me. Everyone I saw was sure and knew me once upon a song. Vain attraction could have badly see. The celebrity would write to me. It ever a calling bestowed on me, and so you mean. If I never see another song, if she'd not bother me, I have my share of pain. You know my name. If I never sing another song or take another vow, I will get by, but I'm not you. How? Always folks think, but you love it all. Do you have to learn to act like about it all? Everything I did, the world uploaded once upon a star. Recitations hung on every wall. Yeah, the scrapbook full of quotes I can't recall at all. Every time I felt the world belonged to me, and so you see, if I ever sing another song, it should bother me, I have my share of pain. You know my name. If I never sing another song or take another bound, I would get by where I'm not you. Oh, la 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 la, shoutout sa mga birthday, February. Happy birthday to all February birthday. 2026 yan, mga February, ha? Happy birthday. Sa mga January, February, March, April, to all 2026 birthday, yan. Bati ko nga kayo lahat. Buat January hanggang December 2026. Ang dami yun.
Somyux Advance. Magaling maglinis. Advance magaling.
Alright, yan ha. May patalastas lang tayo. The music play by Matt Morrow. Alam mo naman natin yung mga awitin ng una. Hindi naluluma.
A hungry silence lay where love had been, and in your eyes I look I'll never see. If I have found the word, you might have stayed. But I'm turned to speak, the music play. As lovers dance their way around the floor, I start to walk you all toward the door. I hear a friend of yours suggest you stay, and as you do kiss them, the music play.
Yeah, mega shout out to all. Hello.
Across the darkest room, the vital silence known. You've been something more than friends before. While I was hurting you by lying to my pride, we have been waiting, and I drove it to your side. I could not say the thing I should have said, refused to let my heart control my head, but I was made to see the price I paid, and I have held you close, the music play. And I lost your love, the music play.
Yeah, yung request nila, uy, ni. Uy. Yeah, mag-OPM na tayo. OPM.
Minsan dumarating sa buhay mo ang kabiguan. Minsan ang pagluha ay di mo mapigilan. Minsan nangyayari ang di inaasahan sa buhay mo, sa buhay mo. Minsan parang ayaw mo nang ika'y mabuhay. Lungkot ang siyang naghahari sa iyong isipan. Minsan nagtataka magtanong ka sa iyong sarili, anong nangyari sa buhay mo? Minsan, umibig ng tapat ang aking puso at nagtiwala sa kanyang mga pangako. Ngunit nakita ko may iba siyang mahal. Minsan, anong sakit ang aking isipin, ngunit di ko magagawang iwasan, pagkat siya lang ang inibig ng minsan. Minsan, dumarating sa buhay mo ang kabiguan. Minsan, ang pagluha ay di mo mapigilan. Minsan, nangyayari ang di inaasahan sa buhay mo, sa buhay mo. Minsan, anong sakit kung aking iisipin, ngunit di ko magagawang iwasan, pagkat siya lang ang inibig ng minsan. Sa buhay mo, sa buhay mo, Meras tamo ang Bert Dominic. Yan, tuki-tuki ang Bert Dominic Boulevard. Wow. Hey. Hello. Hi. How are you there? Sumasakit ang aking tiyan. Kahit ngayon, wala ka na, bakit ikaw ang lagi kong naaalala? Nag-iisip, nagtataka, araw-gabi hinahanap kita. Buhay ko'y wala nang halaga, buhat nang iwanan mo sinta. Sa boulevard ako'y nag-isa, naglalakad, sana'y muling makita ka. Dalangin ko sa may kapal, ibalik ka sa piling ko nang iyong malaman na ikaw lang ang mahal ko, at wala nang ibang mamahalin kundi ikaw. Buhay ko'y wala nang halaga, buhat nang iwanan mo sinta. Sa boulevard ako'y nag-isa, naglalakad, sana'y muli makita ka. Kung ako ay bigo sa'yo, mamahalin pa rin kita habang ako'y ako. Kung totoo, lumimot ka sa boulevard, hihintayin pa rin kita. Buhay ko'y wala nang halaga, buhat nang iwanan mo sinta. Sa boulevard ako'y nag-iisa, naglalakad, sana'y muling makita ka. Buhay ko'y wala nang halaga, buhat nang iwanan mo sinta. Sa boulevard ako'y nag-iisa, naglalakad, sana'y muling makita ka. Yan, punta tayo kay Eddie Peregrina naman tayo. Yan, Eddie Peregrina muna tayo. Eddie Peregrina tayo. That is Beck Dominic. At tapos tayo kay Matt Morrow. Yan. Mga luma. Paborito ni Padek to eh. Kapag ikaw ang umibig at saka masawi, di mo pa daramdamin ito, tulad ng pagdaramdam ko sa'yo. At kung ito ang siyang tunay na mangyari sa puso mo, ay baka naisin mo pang maglaho sa mundo. Kapal, sana'y magbalik kahirap. At kung ikaw ay wala na, at tayo ay di na makita, aray ko sakit, mga bakas ng lumipas lagi kong alaala. Gabi at araw ay lagi na lang ako ay nagdarasal, at ang dalangin ko sa may kapal, sana'y magbalik kahirap. At kung ikaw ay wala na, at tayo ay di na makita, mga bakas ng lumipas sinta,
Okay. The last song.
Juicy Angus beef. Premium taste.
Punta na tayo sa mga
Try
bago.
Highlands Gold today.
Punta na tayo sa mga pabago na. Also, papunta na tayo bago. Ikaw ang dahilan by Jerry Anga, the original singer. Bakit ba pag ika'y nakikita, puso ko ay kumakaba? Pag nasilayan ko ang iyong ganda, puso ko ay nababalisan. At pag ika'y katabi, ako'y di mapakali. Walang ibang iniisip kundi ikaw lagi. Sinubukan ko ika'y kalimutan, ngunit hanggang ngayon di ko makakayanan. Bakit ikaw ang laman ng puso ko't isipan, sa araw at gabi ikaw ang dahilan. Di ako makatulog sa kakaisip sa'yo, pagkat ikaw sinta, ikaw ang dahilan. Alright, thank you very much sa ating mga nanood ngayon. Maraming salamat. One Voice in the Philippines, Pampangang Singer Totoy Balat, Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao, and sa ating mga foreign worker. Naway maligaya ang bawat isa sa atin, ha? Huwag kayong malulungkot, no? Hanggang dito na po ang live natin. Lobe mamaya sa ating mga susunod na magpaparequest, and happy birthday to all this coming February, now February and March, yan. Sa lahat po ng birthday dyan, happy birthday to all, yan. Sana maligaya po kayo lagi sa buhay. Yan. God bless to all. Bye-bye. Hanggang dito lang po ang ating live by Totoy Balat. Si Totoy Balat mag-iwan na lang ng isang awitin niya mula sa kanyang mga YouTube. Gawa na lang tayo ng aawitin niya, no? Kayo malulungkot yan. Yung ginawa ko ng apalit. Ayan, doon naman pong apalit. Yun naman pong pagkatatam. Apalit, I love it! Pamuna ng yung kakamo Mayor Jude Tatangco at Vice Mayor Peter Nukum. Nung may pasyal ka, King Apalit, Pampanga, angkit mo rin kalungkuran lang pong mapagyape. Apalit, I love it, tunay ang manyaman. Botang miras ka, Apalit, aw sandang, I love it. Ilalagtan naman botang miras ka, Apalit. Botang piyesta napin, itang nga pungiru. June 28, 29 hanggang 30, itang manyamang piyesta, Keti, King Pampanga. Apalit, I love it, Keti King Pampanga. Apalit, I love it, tunay mapakyape. Apalit, I love it, tunay pamakyape. Eka hanggang ating inuman, lang makipate. Hanggang dakal bisita, agad lang welcome lang. Tunay lang kaluguran pag miras ka, Apalit. Den taga Apalit, aw sandang, I love it.